Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope all of us have had good lunch, good and sumptuous lunch. Yes or no? Okay. Taking that into consideration, I'm assuming all of us would be awake and enlightened in the next session. The topic being Meeting Compliances Challenge. And this is one of the most difficult thing to do, compliance. Okay. For the same, may I please invite the session speakers, starting off with Mrs. Jayashree Swaminathan, CEO, Head Legal Compliance, Chess Management Services Limited. She's also the moderator of the session. Also, Mr. G.V. Anand Bhushan, General Counsel, Cognizant Technology Solutions India. Mrs. Priyanka Jain, Head Legal and Compliance, Experian India. Mr. Sanjay Dhawan, Executive Director, PwC. Mr. Shivaram Nair, Senior Vice President, Company Secretary, General Counsel, Ethics and Compliance Officer, Mphasis Limited. Can we have a huge round of applause for our session speakers, please? Giving a little bit of enlightenment over Mrs. Jayashree Swaminathan. Mrs. Jayashree Swaminathan is the CEO, Chess Management Services, and has been instrumental in getting compliance industry to new heights. She has 2.5 decades of experience in varied industries like IT, ITES, aviation, publishing, etc. She has been influential in creating compliance procedures and processes in many of the top 500 companies. Her vision is to make India a compliant country on the world map. Throwing a little bit of light on one of our sponsors, which is Chess Management Services Private Limited. Chess Management Services Private Limited is India's first and most comprehensive legal compliance management systems service provider. Since 2000, Chess has acquired vast knowledge and experience in assessing and implementing comprehensive compliance management systems, including legal compliance management systems, litigation management systems, notice and contract management systems. Chess audits the legal function structure of a company and provides solutions for effective control over the legal function. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we proceed to the session, and may I please call upon Mrs. Jayashree Swaminathan to moderate the session.